So last class we discussed, right? So what is Terraform state commands and all, how to make Terraform non-resource to resource and Terraform resource to non-resource. So anyone any doubt? So yesterday mostly we discussed so Terraform state, right? Terraform state list, Terraform state RM, and so Terraform state if you want to remove, and so Terraform state mv. Next, what commands? There is pull and push. That is right now we don't have any central repository. Same. These are the commands. Mostly we are using Terraform. So pull and push. Push. So now already you know how to import. How to import also, right? Terraform. 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 If you want to import, so how? So non-Terraform resource to, if you want to make it as Terraform resource, what is the command? Terraform import. Terraform import. Next, what we need to do, that is your resource name. Already yesterday we imported, right? Terraform AWS underscore subnet dot your local name, your so local name, and any name, whatever name, just we given so to, and we are giving id means your subnet id, your subnet, so your subnet id. Okay, so this is the non Terraform resource to, if you want to make it as Terraform resource. If you want to import, manually I created something in my AWS, that and all I want to import in tf state file, Terraform state file. So this is the command. So anyone any doubt here? Yeah. Today very important. So Terraform state file, already you know, right? What is state file and all, lock mechanism and how it will work. Okay, so Terraform state file so default file name is so Terraform tf state file, right? So state file, so right now it is maintaining my local, this is maintaining my local. So if two people working same, right? For example, so this is my local mission, this is my local, this is my local, this is my local mission. If two people running so my same file at the same time, how it will work? This is very important. So here I am, this is the one resource, just assume so this is the one resource, and so there is one more resource. So two people working same file, just assume how it will work. So just assume this is the Sai, this is the Sharat. Okay, both are working same file only, both are working same file only. Now this is my state file available here, this is my Terraform tf state file. Okay, now how how we can manage this file? For example, I modified something, I am running Terraform plan command or apply command, Terraform plan, Terraform plan or apply anything, Terraform apply command, Terraform apply. Same time Sharath also executing same command, Terraform apply command. Now how Terraform manage this uh, this situation, how to handle? అర్థమవుతుందా? Clear? Clear, Sharath? Right. So now both are running
Yes,
same
sir.
time, but we have only one Terraform state file, right? So anyway, one resource executing at least 1 or 2 seconds time variation, right? Yes or no? ఇప్పుడు నేను సాయి రన్ చేశాడు, he is running at least 1 second gap, right? Anyone they are pressing enter button, right? So how manage this one and all we'll see today. Okay, so this is also very important. Now come to here. So now I am coming to yesterday same only. I am taking same script, Terraform script, and I am going to update same thing only. Now where is my classes? Is Terraform here, and so where we executed models, right, under models. So this and all we are working. Okay, anything which is we can take it, anything whatever you want. So cmd. So now see here DAR. Now I have state file. I have state file, and later I am going to so move to S3 bucket also. This is my state file, Terraform state file, and so check it. Terraform, Terraform, Terraform. I need to what are the resource state list. So any resource, nothing. We need to use plan command. We need to use plan command. Same thing. Just assume. So this is the one prompt I am using. So just same way I am opening one more prompt. Same way I am opening one more prompt. So just assume two resource. Right now I don't have two laptop, right? Two resource. Just assume two resource. One is Sai, one is Sarath, and so these people working parallelly. These people working parallelly. One is increase for your identification purpose. One is big font size. One is small font size. Okay. Control plus plus. Now, so both are working same only. Now I am using so Terraform plan command here also. Plan apply anything whatever that is your wish. Okay. Terraform. Just assume. So the left side prompt just Sai. Just assume. This is the Sai, and right side prompt this is Saratha. But file is Terraform files is same only. All are working same scripts only. Terraform, and I am using plan. Here also I am running same command. Terraform, Terraform, Terraform plan. So now how it will work? Now see here, I am using so Terraform plan. Here also I am using Terraform plan. What is here typo error? Terraform. Sorry. Okay. Here it is showing four resource to add, and this is typo error. I'm Terraform. Okay. Now go to again. I'm running same command. So Terraform plan. Okay. So if both are running same script only, same file only. So here press enter. Here also press enter. Now both are running. See here. So here it is running. But here we are getting one error. Error acquiring the state lock. See here, failure to read the state file. The state file could not be read Terraform. The process cannot be accessed file because another process has locked and portion of the file. I hope you got it right. Now I am using, so see here, first I pressed here. So I pressed enter button, same command, same script, same Terraform file. So here, this here also I pressed same command executed. Now we are getting one error message. I hope you understand, right? Already process is running by someone. The process cannot be accessed file because another process has locked the portion of the file. Same script file executed by someone. So we cannot execute. We cannot execute. For example, here also I am using, and here also I am using. Now press first I am pressing here. Now I am pressing here. Now observe here. Here we are getting error message. At least 1 second gap, right? అర్థమైందా? Anyone any doubt here? Clear? What Sharath? Clear? Ashish? Chandrasekhar? Clear? So
Yes,
based on
clear, sir.
first in first out, right? ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అవుట్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఎవరు ప్రెస్ చేస్తే వాల్ స్క్రిప్ట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. సెకండ్ పర్సన్ ప్రెస్ చేసినప్పుడు సేమ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ ఇఫ్ దే ఆర్ యూజింగ్ సేమ్ స్టేట్ ఫైల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సేయింగ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అనదర్ ప్రాసెస్. సపోజ్ నో ఐ వాంట్ టు నౌ లాక్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ లాక్. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ వాంట్ లాక్, సో వీ కెన్ యూజ్ ఐఫన్ లాక్ ఫాల్స్. we can execute hyphen hyphen log false. So this is a local only. Right now my Terraform state file available in local only. By default Terraform it is following lock mechanism. First in first out. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఎవరు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళ స్క్రిప్ట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. అట్లీస్ట్ 1 second గ్యాప్, రైట్? ఓకే, based on timing first in first out. Now this is a local file, but real time 99 100% we are not maintaining local. So multiple people working, right? So how my state file maintaining in any repository or any S3 bucket, how it will work? So we can make it as locking, how it will work. Okay, now here clear, right? This is a local file. Now I want to store my file in S3 bucket. I hope everyone know what is S3 bucket, how it will work. So first come to AWS. Now AWS console log. Now I'm going to upload my state file into one cloud or repository, wherever you want, that is your wish. Okay, multi-factor authentication code. 1 second. Google 826 526. So this is already enabled multi-factor. Every time it will generate one code we need to give. So now already S3 bucket. So now I am going to upload my state file into S3 bucket. But real time mostly we are not maintaining local. Real time mostly we are not maintaining local. We are going to maintain only any repository or cloud. Anyone so cloud. So anyone so cloud. So anyone cloud. Anyone so cloud only. Now as of now my state file available local only. So now how to upload? How to upload so your state file? How to upload your state file into cloud? How to upload your state file into so cloud? I am going to upload my file S3 bucket. Clear? Anyone any doubt? So now go to here. I am going to here state file. Okay, I am going to here state file. Now just already we have, right? So I am copying same only. We TTC, that's it. Okay, so wherever we want, so we can keep it state file. Just keep it. So now there is many resource available. This and all. This is the provider. This is the provider. Access key and all. Okay. Now instance connection. If you want to install whatever you want, we can do it. This is already right what is happening and all. Leave it. And this is the VPC. Here I am going to create so many things. Just here VPC subnet, VPC subnet, subnet 2, and security group. This is the name, description, ID, and here also we are creating one route table. Okay, route table. There is many resource available. One internet gateway, one route table, and we are attaching route and also subnet association and all. Okay, everything clear. Now, so do you have any file here? No, I am going to run. So here I am going to run here Terraform init command. So Terraform init command. So when state file should be executed? When state file should be executed? When it will create?
After apply.
After apply only it will going to so execute our. If you don't want, I'm going to comment. I don't want this all these things. One subnet one is enough for me. So this is okay. This and all anyway we are not using, right? Just I'm going to comment it. Every time it will create, right? I don't want, so slash star and go to here, just comment it. I don't want this subnets association and all, right? Leave it. Only I'm going to create a one subnet, two subnets, one VPC, one security group. That's it. Now go to here, provider. What is provider here? Provider. This is my provider here. Only instance and connection. And so if you don't want this and all, I don't want this and also. Okay. Comment it. This and all I don't want. I don't want to install. I don't want to connect my instance. Just comment it. This and all also I don't want. Okay. So tag is correct. Started here, ended here. Remaining I commented. This is the provider. This is the I know providers and all. Okay, that's it. Now Terraform. What is happening? Close it. And this is the Terraform init command. Now right now I don't have any state file. So I don't have any state file. I am using Terraform init. That is done. Next Terraform plan. Terraform plan. Next Terraform. So apply command. See five resource. So one VPC, one instance, two subnets, one security group. So total five instance. I am going to five resource. Plan is add to five, zero changes, zero destroy. So now I am using Terraform apply command. Terraform. So apply hyphen auto hyphen app. Terraform apply command. Now state file should be created here. Now see here, this is the state file. Just now, see 718. It is started, right? State file is created. State file is created. It is creating instance and all everything. Now, if I run this command, now where is my state file, guys? As of now, now state file is created. Where it is created?
In local.
Local only. Now, no, I don't want local. I want to maintain my state file. See, 5 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. So I want to maintain my state file S3 bucket. So first how to upload S3 bucket. This is the concept here. Now go to S3, go to S3 and we need one S3 bucket. I hope everyone know what is S3 bucket, what we can store here, buckets. So there is many things available and just I'm going to delete all. Confusion, delete permanently. Okay, how to delete permanently? Empty and delete it. That's it. Now go to here, buckets. This delete empty permanently. Maybe already they missed it. Okay, if you don't want, leave it. Okay. Now this is also we can delete. Delete. Yes. Type bucket name. Okay, delete. Now one more. This is which one I empty. This is empty, right? This is empty. We can delete this also directly. So no need. Select this one. Delete bucket and bucket name. Type bucket name. I'm deleting all buckets. That's it. Okay. Two more buckets available. So delete bucket already. Just empty bucket. Type delete permanently. Just a delete bucket. Okay. Go to here buckets. Select this one. Delete bucket. Yes, bucket name. This is the sum. Okay, now this is the one bucket. Already here also file available. I don't want this. I am going to delete this one also. Empty bucket, delete permanent delete, paste it, delete. That's it. Now I am going to delete this one also and delete bucket, bucket name. This is my bucket name. I deleted everything. I don't have anything. So this is someone created, but unfortunately deleted. Okay, I don't have anything. I'm going to create one bucket. So bucket name is, I'm using so DevOps, okay, state store, state file, whatever you want, DevOps, Terraform store. Just I'm giving a bucket name, and the remaining story I hope everyone know. Okay, just leave it whatever you want. So we can give it create bucket. What is this bucket name? It won't allow any special character. So Terraform bucket store. Just I given create bucket. So bucket is created. Bucket is created. So now come to our so now bucket is ready, guys. So S3, so one bucket already I created. So what is my bucket name? This is my bucket name, you know, right? This is the bucket name. I need this name. Okay, now come to Terraform. So Terraform, now we need to, there is a backend. So Terra backend, back BACK backend, Terraform. If you use so there is a Terraform block. Under the Terraform block, we need to add backend. This is the syntax. So backend, and we can use anything, and so we can add whatever you want. So this is the syntax. This is the Terraform block. So where we are going to add, under the Terraform block. Here also we can use it. Terraform. Terraform black in configuration. How it will work means we can see checking Terraform black. Where is the icon? This is the Terraform black, right? So under Terraform black, we are going to add your script and all. Now go to here. Do we have as of now any Terraform block here? No, right? Only provider block, resource block, and these are common. Now I'm going to add also Terraform. So this and all already, this and all no required, not required here, not required here. And so this is the one block, Terraform, and so backend. So already just now we searched, right? Backend. So if you want to store your state file into S3 bucket, this is the syntax. This is the syntax, backend syntax. We need to copy this one. This is the backend syntax. This is the under Terraform only. Already here available. Copy this one and go to here, paste it, paste it. So Terraform backend here. So I'm going to store, give name anything S3, and so here we need to add. So here we need to add. So three. One is bucket name, bucket. One is bucket equal to what is your bucket name, and second one is key name. Where is your file? This is the key name. This is the key. Key means your state file name, and so one more is a region. Which region you want to upload? Region equal to where you want to upload, and so last one. Okay. As of now, we'll see three. So one is back. One is already back and available, right? Why no need, right? This one. Sorry. One is bucket, not backend. This is bucket. So what is your bucket name, guys? See, this is the syntax. Terraform black, under Terraform black backend. Under the backend, this is the S3. I given S3. Here we need to pass three. Bucket name. This is the bucket name. This is the state file name, and which region you want to upload your state file. Now go to here, AWS. Now tell me what is my bucket name. This is my bucket name. Got it? This is my bucket name. DevOps Terraform store. This is my bucket name. So bucket, and what is the key file? What is the default state file name, guys? What is the default name? What is the default name? Terraform state file. This is the default name. Okay. Or if you can give anything, what is that is your wish. Okay. And copied. Yes, copied. Go to here. So this is the key name. Now, what is the region? Which region you want to upload? Right now, this is which region? Anyone? Which region it is?
AP South.
Mumbai, yeah?
Yes.
Mm, mm. Okay, actually Mumbai region. Okay, now go to here. AP South 1. Check it. AP, AP or SOUTH South 1. Okay, AP South, AP South 1 region. Okay, that's it. Anyone, any doubt here? Now, right now, as of now, I am maintaining my state file local only. Now, I am going to upload my state file where ఎక్కడ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలనుకోండి నా స్టేట్ ఫైల్ని
S3 bucket.
S3 bucket లో local not safe, right? But real time we are maintaining S3 bucket or any repository. S3 I hope everyone know. So I am storing into my file S3 bucket. Now, okay, S3 bucket done. So this is the script. Terraform black backend, backend equal to S3 and bucket name and key. Key is nothing but your state file name and region. And region is nothing but where you want to upload your, so where, which region you want to maintain, which region you want to maintain. That's it. Which region you want to maintain. Okay. So remaining and all same only. This and all same only. Now check it. So CLS Terraform, Terraform plan. Now see here, I added backend, right? So now we need to use a Terraform init command. So this backend related sum of configuration, it will be update. So that is the reason we need to use again Terraform init command. Terraform init command. Now again it is asking bucket typo error where an argument named bucket is not expected here. Did you mean bucket? Both are same, right? BUC,
BUC.
sorry. BUC, right? BUC, BUC. Okay, see. Okay, bucket. Now Terraform init. So now, yes. Now see here, initializing provider plugin, and so it is updating the plugin also. Now go to here, Terraform, Terraform, remain story same only, plan. So come to here. Now, do we have any file here, guys? As of now, any file here? So this is the bucket. Do we have any file here? No, right?
Yes.
Now I am going to run Terraform, Terraform, apply, apply hyphen. Now no changes. Terraform compare real infrastructure. This is no changes. It is refreshing one, right? Just I am trying. So if it is not, so 0 added, 0 changed, 0 destroyed. So first, just refresh it. If it is not, I am deleting state file in my local. Again I am keep it. Now see here. So uploaded or not? See here. So my state file uploaded to, so my S3 bucket. This is the DevOps Terraform, and so this is my state file. This is my state file. Now where is my state file? Now see here. Now your state file available. Now your state file available where? S3 bucket. Anyone, any doubt? Now go and check it here whether it is available or not. Check it whether it is available or not. So where is this 27, right? This is the Terraform. Okay, state file. Go to this particular path, refresh it. So still past 0 KB. Even if you don't want, so now it will work. So now state file is uploaded. So your state file is uploaded. Your S3 bucket, right? Already I executed, right? That is the reason it is naming, it is showing local only. But anyway, my state file first time if you use that one, it will move to so S3 only. Now see here, now state file it won't maintain local. Now state file it won't maintain local, it won't maintain. So automatically our state file uploaded to S3 bucket. So anyone any doubt here? Now S3 bucket okay.
Yes.
Now what about next concept? So now it is not maintaining local. Now anyone, so if you want to, we can work with so S3 bucket. So if anyone, if they want to work with, so directly they can get from the state file from the S3 only. State file from the S3 only. Okay. Now here also I am running. So here also I am running two prompt. Here also I am running two prompt. Now try to understand. This is one prompt already available, right? I am going to execute one more prompt. Just assume two users. This is the one user and that is the one user. This is the one user and so this is also one user. I minimize. Okay. Now I'm going to run. So now if you want to make it as lock mechanism, if your Terraform state file, if you are maintaining S3 bucket, we need to add one more also. We need to add one more also. Before that, let me show you how it will work. Terraform. Terraform space PLA and plan. Here also I am using so Terraform plan. Okay. Now I am executing so both. Okay. I executed both. Now check it. So which one I pressed first one? This one. Next I pressed this one. Now it is started here. It is also started here. Now see here. Two people working parallelly or not. Earlier we are getting error message. So now do we have getting any error message? Actually my state file in my central, that is S3 bucket. So my state file available here. Okay, just assume this is the S3. Now my state file I uploaded S3 bucket. S3 bucket. Now both people are running command. It is allowing for both people or not? లోకల్లో ఉంటే
Yes.
నాకు ఒకే పాత్ ఉంది సేమ్ ఉంది ఎర్రర్ మెసేజ్ వచ్చింది మనకు లాక్ బై డిఫాల్ట్ టెరాఫామ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ లాక్ మెకానిజం బట్ మై స్టేట్ ఫైల్ నౌ ఐ అప్లోడెడ్ టు S3 bucket for safety purpose. Now both are running same script only, but I execute so the two users can execute same time. Correct? Do you have any error message? Already వీడు execute చేస్తున్నాడు. We cannot execute like this. No, right? Sharath? Clear? Ashish, clear? Chandrasekhar? Now,
Yes.
how to make it as this file lock mechanism? So mostly we are maintaining so real-time S3 bucket or repository, right? Now I want to make it as lock mechanism. If you want to make it as lock mechanism, we need to follow one more step here. Go to here S3 bucket, go to here, and so here dynamo table. So if you want to make it as Terraform lock. So if you want to state locking, okay. So if you want to state locking, we need to use somewhere locking. So backend, I am using backend, and so here we can use see here define backend black okay, and default backend types of backend, and here we can use Terraform state initializing the backend Terraform. So Terraform unit keep this one. Okay, so just type so if you want to make a if you want to make it as lock mechanism, we need to add some more. This is so dynamo DB Terraform. So DB table configuration Terraform. So here we need to use something. Go to here, how to configure and all. Where is exact example? DynamoDB configuration. DynamoDB underscore. Where is DynamoDB? AWS DynamoDB table. DynamoDB table is DynamoDB. I don't want DB. So DynamoDB underscore table. There is a one argument reference also available. Go to here, argument reference, attribute reference, DynamoDB underscore table. Is the correct only. So table, go to here, dynamo underscore db basic, not this much length. This is simple only. Dynamo db table and replace it. Okay, this is very simple format only. First we need to create the one table in so AWS. So now already S3 ready, right? So here type so dynamo dynamo db dynamo dynamo db. Just this is the database related. So once if you type dynamo db, so there is a this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard. And if you click on table, if you click on table, first we need to create the one table. First we need to create the one table. First we need to create the one table. Okay, first we need to create the one table. Do you have any table here, guys? Do you have any table here?
No,
No. So first create one table and give table name. For example, uh, my state locking. We can give any name. That is your wish. State locking. And so here we need to type so lock ID. We need to select a string only. See here, table name we can give any name. Table name we can give so any name, that is your wish. See, this will be used to identify your table, and between 20 characters this is the partition key. So this should be mandatory. See, this partition key is part of the table primary key. It is following based on primary and secondary key, and so lock id, and by default a string only. Now go to here, remaining and all, no need to take anything, just create the table. That's it. So just a very simple concept only. First I create a table. First I create a table. So where I need to go? So if you want to make it as your S3 bucket, S3 Terraform state file locking, we need to create one table. Once the table is created, see here status is creating, and so just wait, it is active. Click on this, and click on this. We need to activate, right? Active இருக்கு. Okay, we need to do one more option. Where is that option? Dashboard, table, select the table, update, add. I forgot that option. What is Ramya? Table. Anyway, they will also provide. First we'll check it. Configure dynamo dynamo table in Terraform black, backend black, backend backend Terraform. So create S3 bucket, Dynamo table, management console, create S3 bucket, Dynamo table. After create directory, open the code TF provider bucket, enable the versioning. Where we need to enable? And this is a different concept. Okay, create Dynamo table and state locking, configure Terraform. This is already everything done. We missed this one. Okay. Mm. Click on this and source policy not active. Be the changed option. Okay. Anyway, I created, right? Now just configure this. If it is not working, we need to enable something. Which option? Edit general configuration. It is active. Provisioning tag. Click on this. Click on this active point positive view. Okay. Now copy this one. As of now, if it is not working, we will see. So copy this name, my table name, and go to here. So here, right? We need to add one more. What is this key name? Dynamo Dynamo DB underscore table equal to your table name. What is my Dynamo table name? That's it. So now I am taking as now I am making. I am so just added. So what is the purpose of this one? What is the purpose of this one? If you want to make it your state file lock, if you want to make it as your state file lock mechanism, so we need to create one Dynamo table and just update here. That's it. Now come to here. So as of now, I created one more else duplicate S3 bucket. Go to S3. My file is available here. How to enable versioning, guys? S3 bucket. How to enable a versioning? We want to enable versioning also, right? Otherwise it won't work. How to enable versioning? There is one concept, right? Versioning. Click on this. I want to enable versioning. So these are the steps we need to follow. This is already we created enable versioning. This is I missed. And create Dynamo table and for lock and configure backend, initializing Terraform backend, configure everything done. Only one step we missed. You need to enable the Terraform backend S3. So see here S3 bucket name I given, key name also I given, region also I given, and how to store I keep into somewhere, and so directly now resource backend get these are the you can list Dynamo table. So if you want to configure, so Dynamo table, so these are the ways we can configure backend. Anyway, already I configure access key, secret key and all. There is one more thing. Mm, this and the attributes, whatever you want, we can add it. So region, bucket name, key, okay. Next, these are the assume roles and all. Okay, leave it. Now, how to enable versioning? So right now, is it enable versioning here or Sarath? Versioning enable or not? As of now, version is not enabled. So how to enable versioning? So select this one. Where is this? Select where is edit button? Click on this. Go to properties and so bucket versioning. See here, as of now, bucket versioning is disabled. So click on edit and just enable the bucket version. That's it. How to enable versioning and all. Now see here. So now it is showing so versioning and all. So versioning and all. Now that's it. Now everything done. I created one S3 bucket. I uploaded my file for lock mechanism purpose. I go to Dynamo table. I created one table. I created one table, and so I created one table. I created so one table. I created one table. Created one table. This table I updated. So this table I updated in my backend. In my backend here. So now I'm going to run same only. I'm going to run same only. Now open two tabs. Open two tabs. Now first run it here. Terraform plan. Here also Terraform plan. I press here. Again I'm press here. So now see here. Again I modified, right? I modified, right? DB. First you need to use Terraform init command. Later Terraform init, and also migrate state also. I configure it. We can execute this one also. Terraform init and migrate state also. Okay. And here also same command. Terraform migrate state also. Both. Here also we need to execute. Now see here. First I run it. That's it. Now earlier, so two people running same time, correct? Same time, right? Now I'm time to execute so file. So here one user, just assume this is a one user plan, and so here also another user plan, another user plan. Now earlier we are not getting any error message, right? Now try to here. I created one Dynamo table and I configure in my Terraform black. Now first anyone, first I'm click this one, and immediately I click here also. Immediately I clicked here also. Now see here, error acquiring the state lock. So operation error DynamoDB put item, and so Terraform acquires the state lock to protect your state from being written. I hope you understand, right? Now I enable locking or not. So two people can run same time. Yes or no? ఇద్దరు ఒకే టైంలో రన్ చేయొచ్చా? No.
Yes.
What I enable as of now? Lock mechanism. Lock mechanism. So I uploaded my state file S3 bucket. For S3 bucket, I applied a lock mechanism. For not S3 bucket, my state file. So if you want to apply lock mechanism for your state file and S3, so what we need to configure? This is the syntax. This is the syntax. Interview also, most of the people they are asking this question. So where you are maintaining your state file. If anyone is asking, don't tell we are maintaining local. So where we are maintaining our state file. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎక్కడ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నాం?
Backend.
S3 bucket. My state file we are maintaining S3 bucket. Correct? Now how we are maintaining so lock mechanism? How we are maintaining? If two people so we are running same time, right? Both will allow. There is a confusion, bit confusion, right? So for this, here for lock mechanism, we are using Dynamo DB underscore table. So if you want to make it as S3 state file, uh, Terraform state file, lock mechanism, we need to create one table where we need to create so under here only, under here only. So this is the Dynamo table. There is a one option. So there is a one option. So in the here, just create one table. That's it. Just create one table, and so copy the table, and we need to add one more here key. This is the Dynamo DB underscore table. What name you given there, just pass it here. That's it. Suppose if I remove this one, is it working lock mechanism? నేను తీసేసిన అనుకో, లాక్ మెకానిజం వర్క్ అవుతుందా?
No.
No. These are the basic question. Okay, try to understand. So most of the people they are asking in this area. So if anyone is asking, so where you are maintaining your Terraform state file. So now we know, right? S3 bucket. We are maintaining our state file S3 bucket. So okay, but if you want to S3 bucket, so how we are maintaining lock mechanism? There is one more way also we can do it. This is the one way. This is the one way. So here we are using DynamoDB table. With the help of DynamoDB table, we are maintaining our lock mechanism. I hope you understand, right? Anyone any doubt here? Or Sarath, Ashish,
No, sir.
Chandrasekhar, clear? Very, very important question. Interview also. So if interview anyone is asking, where is your state file? Local or S3 bucket? S3 bucket. But how we are maintaining locking? With the help of DynamoDB table. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం కాన్ఫిగర్ చేసాం ఇక్కడ with the help of DynamoDB table we are maintaining our state file lock mechanism. So two people cannot run same time. It won't allow. It won't allow. If you remove two people can run at the same time. Clear? Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now here I created manually, right? So here I created S3 bucket. I created manually. So with the help of Terraform also we created. This is very simple only. See here with the help of Terraform if we create any S3 bucket. See here AWS AWS underscore S3 underscore S3 bucket underscore bucket, and if you give so Terraform S3 bucket, this is very simple script. See here, so resource AWS underscore S3 underscore bucket, bucket name and tag name we can pass it. For example, I want to create one bucket, guys. So I want to create one bucket. So as of now, I created this bucket name manually. No, no, sir. How to create via Terraform? So if you want to create a Terraform, if you want to create on Terraform, so this is the one tag. So this is the I'm adding here. This is the resource name AWS underscore S3 underscore bucket, and this is my bucket name. This is my bucket. Okay, bucket name. Whatever name we can give it. This is the tag name. This is the tag name. That's it. Very simple. See here. This is the very simple only. This is the very simple only. Whatever you want, so we can use it. S3 bucket. Where is S3 bucket? Or is AWS underscore S3 Terraform. If you use this one also, so we can see very simple example. This is the very simple only. So AWS underscore S3 underscore bucket we can give. This is our reference name and bucket name, which name you want, and this and all. Remaining and all, which region that and all, we need to add it. We need to add it. We need to add it. Whatever you want, we can add it. There is many argument reference, attribute reference available. So with the help of, so we can create. We can create. Can I run this script? I added, right? Save region. Where you want to create? AP, South. Okay. Okay. Now see here, bucket name, my hyphen test hyphen I given some name, region, same thing only. Just run it. So Terraform, Terraform init. Any update? Nothing. CLS, Terraform, Terraform plan. Already few resources available. Here I am going to maintain. I am going to add one more value. What? Cannot configure region, it is will be declared automatically based on your result applying. Okay, here no need, it is expecting no need. This is also no need, automatically it will come to that particular region. Now check it. So now Terraform plan, so it is showing, see, clear error message. don't configure, cannot configure value region. So it's automatically decided automatically based on your result. Okay, now check it. One resource is adding where it is going to create. So this is my bucket name, this is my bucket name, and so this is tag name. That's it. Okay, tag name Terraform apply. Terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen. Now see here, one is added. So what is my what is creating S3 bucket creation bucket error state code, authorization header is mail, the region US is wrong, expected US East, US expecting EU Central 1. So what authentication header information, the region US East 1, US East 1 region only. Why this name already available? So same, this is the syntax. If you want to create, this is the syntax, but which region we are in? We are in, this is okay. I uploaded here US East 1 only. I mean, or else we can change all. That is best, right? Actually, it is asking is wrong. Expecting, sorry, Central 1. I'm changing this one. It is expecting Central 1. Where is this one? EU Central 1 available. ఇది which region? UV ఇది ఏ రీజన్? శరత్, రమ్య, నేనైతే ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళ ఇది EU సెంట్రల్ ఏ రీజన్ కింద వస్తుంది ఇది? మనం అక్కడ చూడాలి ఇప్పుడు. హలో, అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
EU సెంట్రల్ 1 యూరోప్ రీజియన్. యూరోప్ ఏంది? ఫ్రాంక్ హౌ టు కాల్ దిస్ వన్? శరత్ ఫ్రాంక్
Frankfurt.
పుట్టా. I don't know. First time I'm using this region. So go to first switch to this region. Anyway, I changed, right? Everything creating here only. I changed region. There it is not available. Now try to S3. Here it will create S3. 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 Now check it. See here. S3. This is the October 24. That timing and all. That timing and all. So here also instance and all here also created, everything created here only. So like this, if you want to create, so if you want to create, how many created, total how many resource created? See, one error message, dev to that IP address not available. So few things failed. ఏదేది మిస్ అయింది మనకి? EC2 that is missing, and we need to change that VPC and all. VPC and all not available in the region. And S3 bucket also, what is this? We need to change some more things. Not this is also, I need to update this region VPC and all. I need to update this ID also not available in particular region. We are in different region, correct? This AMI ID is also not available, but this way we can do it. But anyway, I'm going to remove, I'm going to destroy whatever created. I'm going to destroy Terraform ds destroy. So Terraform script also we can create your S3 bucket and all, whatever you want we can do it, whatever you want we can do it. So this is the different region. And I'm state refresh, deleting few things. Yes, anyway, mostly I'm not using this region, right? Keep on, it is running whatever I created. Only S3 is security group created, it is destroyed. Apart from this nothing is created, only 2 is destroyed. Now go to here, where is this region? US, save. I need to destroy here also, Terraform destroy. I need to destroy here also, or else it is keep on running nothing. Okay, that's it. Clear guys, if you want to we can do. And once that is done, whatever you created just finally destroy it, or else that is hours waste, and they will charge based on your usage, based on their usage, your usage. Okay.